Hello everyone, myself Rohit and I am from GP Khutri, Bokaro. In this video, I will talk about limit and cover some basics about limit. So, what is limit and what are the types of limit and so on. A limit is the value that a function or sequence approaches as the input and approaches some value. What is the means of this statement? If a function is given and we input a data to that function, it approaches to some value and that value is the limit of the given function. So know this definition. Let's take example. Now see, I take limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. If we directly put the value of 1 into this equation, so the value of this equation is 0, that is meaningless, or it hasn't a value, but we know that limit approaches to some value. So what we do? If we try this method, limit x tends to 1 x square minus 1 upon x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1. If we break out this equation into the formula, so x plus 1 x minus 1 upon x minus 1. And by cutting this equation, we get limit x tends to 1 x plus 1. If here we put the value of x, so we saw that the answer is 2. Here the answer is 2, and we say that the limit of the given equation is 2. And now talk about what are the types of limit. There are basically two types of limit, left hand limit and right hand limit. For more good understanding, let's go to the copy and pen. Let's take a number, a random number. I take 2. If you draw this number 2 on the number line, suppose that 2 is here. We know that if you go right side from the 2, the all numbers are greater than 2, and if you go left side, the all numbers are smaller than 2. Then we say that the left hand limits are always smaller than 2 and right hand limits are always greater than 2. If we approaches from this side, then, or if we approaches from this side taking a number, this is called the left right hand limit, and if we approaches from this side, this is the left hand limit. The method for finding the left hand limit is limit x tends to a minus. If we come this side, we know that the numbers are smaller than 2. So, and f of x, this is the left hand limit. Here x replaced by a minus h, and h tends to 0. Now we see the method for finding right hand limit. Limit x tends to a positive f of x. Here x is replaced by a plus h, where h tends to 0. So clear what is left hand limit and what is right hand limit. If some places, if the value of left hand limit and the value of right hand limit is equal, the value of left hand limit and the value of right hand limit is equal, then it is said to be limit exist. Thank you everyone for watching my video.